Welcome to this video tutorial dedicated to Microsoft Excel. Excel is the world's most popular and powerful spreadsheet program for manipulating, storing, and organizing data. This course is designed for those with very little to no experience with Microsoft Excel. These tutorial videos will help you to learn how to use it effectively. So let's start. So to open Excel, or what you will have to do is to go to your search tab after of course installing it, and you will type Excel to open it. As you can see here, we have desktop application. However, to make it easier for next time to open it, you can click with the right button of the mouse and you can pin to start, and also you can click pin to taskbar. So pin to taskbar, you have now the program shortcut on the taskbar. As soon as you click on it, Excel will start running, and also when you go to the start menu, you will find it here in the quick access tab. You can also, just by clicking on the right button of the mouse and creating new and then selecting Microsoft Excel worksheet, you can create a new worksheet. So let's name it exercise. Before starting this course, you can always download the exercise file from the link below the videos. So let's open it and let's start. So as you can see, this is how Excel look like, and here you have the title bar where you see the title of your document, and as soon as you change your document name, the name will change here. Let's try again. So we have named it exercise, and let's put a -1 and click to open it again. So as you can see, the name has changed. To change the name of your sheet, you can always name it, for example, year, by just clicking 2 times, and you can just name it, or by just clicking with the right button of the mouse and you click rename, and you can type what name ever you want. So let's name it year 2018, and let's create another file which we will name also year 2019. So now we have 2 different sheets that are totally blank. So in Excel you have different options when you want to create your Tableau or when you want to create your documents. However, if you have realized that you have selected the wrong workbook or worksheet, you can always go back to file and you click on new, and from here you have different types. You have blank workbook, you have billing statement, blood pressure, and you can also search online for templates if you need them. Let's go back. So for instance, here you have the quick bar where you can find the most used command by you, and by clicking on this arrow you can customize this section by adding or removing commands which you want or you don't want to use, like for example do, redo, undo, spelling, quick print, email, open, or new. So for instance, let's imagine that we have restaurant around the world which we are running or we are the manager for, and we have to view certain data for those restaurants. You will find all this information in the training or in the exercise for which the link is below this video. So let's imagine that our restaurant branches covers different countries around the world, and we want to create an Excel file for it. So let's name first our cities. So we have our first restaurant in Paris, Marrakesh, London, Cairo, and finally Madrid. So for this, I want to add for each one of them 12 months of the year, and I want to add the results of each restaurant every year. So by just typing January, I can just click here, and by dragging to the right, as you can see, there is several months appearing: May, June, July. So I can drag to the right until I have reached December, the whole year. As you can see, some of these months the full name of it is not appearing, like for example for September, December. So this is a little problem which we can always solve by just clicking on the first arrow, the first column, and we can select all of them, and we come to any of them and we click on this line borders. There we go. We have it now fixed, and we can see the full name of the month: September, October, November, December. There is no hidden letters. So now we are going to add certain numbers as results. They are just imaginary numbers. We can add them for each of these restaurants in each city, and we can start working with our workbook.